Today we are going to go to Dallas. I'm not gonna say where I'm coming from, but it's like a 13-mile ride. So, yeah, so it's a 13-mile ride, kind of far. Yeah, I'm going to Dallas, so we can go to downtown. And yeah, alright, we've made it where I came. It was a 16-mile ride. I'm on 71%. Guy over there on the Ultra is like on 82. So if you're wondering about the range difference, there you go. He's on 82-ish, I'm on 71. But my bike has 3,000 miles, he has like 50 miles, so it's not a brand new, like it's a worn down battery, so it's not like the best comparisons, but still shows you an idea of it. So we're gonna go charge at Cane's, probably there too. And then after that, we're gonna probably go right around, maybe meet up with some friends. I'm not so sure. Damn it. Ooh, it is windy. Control. 100. Cane's. wait, it's a Yasma. Oh, it's Studio. You see Studio Yasma. I don't know. Alright, well, I'll get back with you. Bikes are charging. E-Ride. We go Ultra B. Charges back there. Alright, so we're done with Cane's. We ate, we charged. I'm on 96. I was like on 71-ish, so I'm making sure I'm recording. But now we're going to a friend's house. It's like a 20-minute ride. It's a little far. But we got batteries, so we're chilling. And he needs help putting on his wheel or something. Yeah. So I'll probably put some riding clips or when we get there. So I'll see what happens. Oh shit! Alright, we've made it where I came. It was a 16-mile ride. I'm on 71%. Guy over there on the Ultra is like on 82. So if you're wondering about the range difference, there you go. He's on 82-ish, I'm on 71. But my bike has 3,000 miles, he has like 50 miles, so it's not a brand new, like it's a worn down battery, so it's not like the best comparisons, but still shows you an idea of it. So we're gonna go charge at Cane's, probably there too. And then after that, we're gonna probably go right around, maybe meet up with some friends. I'm not so sure. Damn it. Ooh, it is windy. Fuck. Control. 100. So here we are, Cane's. What did you say?
I need it like right there.
Alright, got you, bro. So, let me show you the method.
Smaller sprocket too?
Well, that's small ass sprocket.
It makes my bike go 60, but I have an upgraded one right there. I just haven't put it on because the bolts in here, they're Loctite on the sprocket. I can't get it undone.
You need fire. You need like a blowtorch.
Yeah, you need a blowtorch.
Actually?
Yeah. But we done got 2 people in the Ultra, bro. So we're trying to face this kid's bike, but we need to find a school, so we're going back where we came from, which is kind of far. Wow, that's 1%. Alright, so it turns out we tried to fix my friend's bike, but couldn't really do it. We spent like 2.5 hours there, but now we're about to finally ride with someone else. So yeah, see what happens.
I've been telling y'all niggas this for a minute now, gang.
Nah, I never met you
Niggas
before.
been disrespectful. I know I seen that little nigga before, but come on.
Who, him?
I don't know, one of
He
y'all
just got his
niggas,
bike, not gonna lie.
But y'all know damn well y'all supposed to be on this trail, bro. Y'all keep getting these white people calls on phone, boy.
I'm not even like hurting them.
What I'm saying, though.
We can walk.
Bro,
Because we live off the trail right here. Airbnb. Like, right out.
Airbnb. Man, I can't even. Well, how far y'all niggas stay, boy?
I mean, it's just up here, like, where, like, it's hard to say. Cause
Man, y'all boy, y'all know. Man, come on now, gang. Y'all know. Damn, y'all supposed to be on this trail with these bitches. Y'all can walk them hoes though, but y'all can't ride them.
I bet.
I gotta get off. Y'all gotta get off here. I gotta go back that way. Go there.
Oh.
Electric?
Yeah, it's electric. Hey, let's hop on and ask the sign.
Alright.
It was quiet. Yeah, it was really quiet.
Yeah. Hold on, sorry. Get out the way. Sorry about that.
No problem. Okay. Sorry about that.
Bro, why'd you turn around? Wait, we're actually walking all this shit? I'm out. Alright, so we got off the trail. But there was so many people saying like to get off and this and that. Which honestly, I can't blame them. But shit, it's too late now. I know. Well, you know him or what? You know him or what? Yeah, I recorded.
I think I met him once.
Oh.
I bet send me that hoe.
We are in downtown. This guy, bro, he really stole much. Like, I don't know, bro. Nothing wrong with it, but like, how much you on?
1%. I've been just fucking.
Yeah, you been bipping, bro.
And fucking hyper takes so much.
Really? Bro, I was a cutie, bro.
Huh?
Were you scared to dip?
No.
Okay. How much you on? 64.
65.
Oh,
What
shit.
half hour is it?
60. Let's go.
Hey, can you rub it? Rub it. Scare the fuck
No, my bad, my bad. Oh shit.
Wait, y'all recording?
Yeah, I am.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all fine. Whip it, go.
Wait, go back.
What's
Add me. B, real quick.
B?
B-R-A-X-Q-T-S.
X, and mine is,
Oh fuck yeah. What's yours?
alright, DTX underscore emoto.
GTX what?
Underscore.
What you about to do? Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn! Yo! What the fuck? Yo! What the fuck? No way, bro! Yo! Yo, that shit was clean, bro!
Holy shit.
That shit was
Yo,
clean.
thanks, man.
Alright, we'll leave you alone. I see you, bro.
I'm posting that. Hell yeah.
Damn, I got that on video too, bro.
Oh, I got it. I can feel it.
Oh shit. Oh, what is this? Oh,
I never knew there was.
it smells like ramen.
I does smell like ramen.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. At least for him, I guess. Nah, fuck him.
Oh, hit his dog.
He bought it with his own money.
It's like 5. It's like 5.
Which one's faster, that one or?
This one. This is probably the fastest one.
Both of these. They go like the same
It's
speed.
electric.
How fast is it?
60.
Yeah, same speed.
Yeah, it's clean. She get who one?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I got him one.
I had 2 TO.
I got him like a regular e-bike, cause you know.
Nah, you gotta get him a Surron.
Like a pedal one?
Get him this right here.
It's
Like-
a
Right here.
pedal assist,
Oh,
yeah.
he's ready for this. He's
Don't
ready
get
for
one
this.
of those just like crap out on
Get him a start.
Get him a Stark bar. That's the one you should get.
No, but
You
Sorry.
said it was like 5.
No, 10K.
Like 5K?
that one you can get.
Yeah, that one's actually good. That one's like
That's a good
3K.
beginner bike. You should get that.
That's the best for his size.
The other one he has. Get one of those.
I don't know, man.
Come on, bro. You gotta get one, bro.
He get hella bitches soon.
He can pick up his hose on the whip.
Crazy, man. So I don't make no noise or nothing?
Nothing. Nope.
I can pop a wheelie with it?
Yep.
Yeah, we're doing.
We're doing. But you're scaring them, bro. You're scaring the hustle away, bro.
Nah, they're not us.
Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Who the fuck are you? What?
Hold up, dude. How you doing, bro?
You know him?
Where y'all headed tonight?
Going anywhere, bro.
Goofing up.
Yeah.
Hey, all of them Surron?
I do a trick when the light turns green. Do something.
Oh, shit. Damn, bro. That's
You roll it,
suspension.
dude?
What is this? What's CC? I got a one.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that shit. Bro, that shit sounds so clean.
This shit's nice, bro.
Bro. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Which way? Follow, go, go, go. Oh, shit. Damn, that shit's so clean. What the fuck? Bro, this is every day, though. This is normal, bro.
We got riding through.
Huh?
We got riding through.
Anything, anywhere.
I'm saying we got come through.
Oh, mesquite, mesquite, mesquite. Yeah. Oh shit, they're turning. Alright, that's it. Well, this brake rubs so much. Well, not rubs, so I'll speak. What? Yo! Security! Security! He said.
That ain't no fucking security.
Nah, I'm playing. It's a worker. What I do?
But y'all move, but they call security because I'm not gonna call
Them?
Yeah, they security.
You cute.
Security up there.
I'm out. I'm gonna go get his bag back. Bro, stop saying shit, nigga.
Bro, I need chaps.
I know you is, bro. I can tell.
I'm not getting that thing.
Wait, I might. Can you pay for me? You know, bro, actually, why am I asking you if you stole shit?
Like, what? But keep it down. Yeah. One of those. Can ID on my phone? Or without one more?
We need actual.
Alright, let me go get it from my house. 1 minute.
Just this.
Me 21.
Hopefully I can pay, bro.
Hey, biker on me, biker on 3. 1, 2, 3, biker! For real!
Back to life.
Something like that.
Hey!
What the fuck? Bro, why is there so many bikers? What the fuck?
As a maintenance supervisor at a manufacturing facility, he knows keeping the line up and running is a top priority. So just like you, he chooses Grainger. Because
What
when
the
a drive
fuck?
belt gets damaged, Grainger makes it easy to find the exact specs and replacement product he needs. And next thing
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, bro. Go, 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 go.
I'm not trying to wear my tire out.
Alright, let's go.
We're gonna have to jump on hockey bird for a little bit, so let's take it
Alright, let's go. Oh, Marshall! What the fuck? Some guy gave him alcohol. Let me see.
Should I chug it?
Yeah, chug it. About to chug it. Chug it. You can't? It's nasty, right? You're about to bomb it. Nah, shut the fuck up! No!
Yours!
My bike's not class.
Oh my god.
I'm 10 times better than you, bro.
Yeah, right? Really, yeah, but...
Yeah, but...
Oh shit!
Dude, I missed my pen.
Alright, well, I'm on the way home. I've been on the way home for a while now. It's been 19 miles pretty much. And I still got like 4 more miles to go. So I'm gonna do the outro right here. Today was a really fun day. Thank you for watching to the end. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna make more videos. So yeah, I'll see ya, bro. Thank you for watching.